Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Farizana, and today I'll be recreating whatever my Chamberlain ate in a current video titled Dyeing My Hair Blonde. Without wasting much time, let's just jump right into the video. Guys, I hope you try this recipe because it's very nice and easy to make and can be done in 5 minutes time. So starting off with an avocado, I'll go ahead and divide it into two and take the seed out. Actually, she made this recipe on her channel in a video, so I'll be following whatever she did in the Because of the shape of this avocado, I'll go ahead and divide it into two so that scooping it out will be made easy, and with the help of a spoon, I will scoop the fruit out. And cut it into my preferred sizes. Please, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and click on the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. I post 2 or more videos every week. Under a low heat, I'll pour about a tablespoon and a half of vegetable oil into my pan and season with black pepper. The black pepper will add flavor to the vegetable. And there is still low heat, I'll go ahead and crack 2 eggs and fry them in the seasoned vegetable oil. Please, it's very important to cook under low heat in order to prevent the eggs from getting burnt, and also crack the yolks if you try this recipe. I will then turn it to the other side to fry throughout, and then season with a pinch of salt. I'm now going to serve it on my plate. I added more avocado dough. I just added some sesame seeds to my plate. Now I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper and ketchup. I might use hot sauce though, but I'll be using ketchup. Now to make a coffee, I have 2 teaspoons of instant coffee and 2 tablespoons of sugar along with some ice cubes in my cup. I will then go ahead and add a cup of milk. It could be any kind of milk though. It depends on your preference or what you have at the moment. And I'll go ahead and stir it till everything is combined. And now we are done with our recipe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. I hope you guys try it, and I'll send you some information just after this video. Stay tuned. Thank you once again.